Carter Falk, and I've been taking lessons with Byron for a little over 2 years. I like to come here for an hour and be challenged to really learn how to play guitar better and walk out of here feeling better about my skills and abilities and the way I play guitar. If you want to get better at playing guitar or improve your skills and abilities, definitely take lessons with Byron because you will definitely improve your guitar playing abilities. I know I have quite a bit since I've been coming here, and it's really the thing I look forward to most during the week is coming to class.